You love eating low carb and it is working for you as far as weight loss, blood sugar control, and mental clarity, but you cannot get your family members to adopt your new lifestyle. It is a common challenge, and the last thing that you want to do is cook 2 dinners every night. This video gives you an easy to cook recipe to meet your low carb needs and your family's high carb requests. Join me as I show you how to turn this delicious low carb pizza casserole into pasta pizza casserole. And if you like this recipe, you can stay tuned for 4 more meal ideas that can be converted from low carb friendly to family friendly in one step. Thanks to Element for sponsoring this video. A low-carb diet promotes fat loss because it keeps insulin levels low. Lower insulin also signals your kidneys to release water and electrolytes. Both need to be replenished to keep you hydrated and maintain proper nerve and muscle activity. I eat a low-carb diet, practice intermittent fasting, and exercise, all of which promote lower insulin levels. That is why I use Element every day. Element is an electrolyte supplement that replenishes lost sodium, potassium, and magnesium. It comes in these convenient sticks or these even more convenient 16-ounce cans. My favorite way to use Element is as a stopper after a meal. It can be hard to turn down dessert when others at the table are eating it. Instead of having dessert, I have an Element drink. It tastes great, so I don't feel like I'm missing out. It also takes time to sip and is portable, allowing me to comfortably walk away from eating. To try Element and get a free sample pack with any purchase, go to drinklmnt.com/Dr. Becky. For an easy dinner solution for a family with different diet requests, you'll make what we'll call a one-step conversion meal. In this case, you'll convert pizza casserole into pasta pizza casserole. As you may have guessed, the one additional step is cooking pasta noodles. Here are the ingredients I use to make the low-carb pizza casserole. Ground beef, frozen peppers and onions, canned mushrooms, minced garlic, Lawry's seasoned salt, chili powder, low-carb spaghetti sauce, I used Rayo's brand, 2 cups of cheese, I used a combination of shredded mozzarella and cheddar, and pepperoni. And if you didn't catch all of that, I included the ingredients and directions in the video description below, so just come back to this video when you're ready to make it. And note that you can use fresh vegetables and shred your own cheese. This recipe is meant for busy families. The ingredients I used are convenient and less perishable, so you can buy them and keep them on hand for a quick meal that everyone will eat. The first thing to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While you're waiting for the oven to heat up, put a skillet on the stove and brown the ground beef. I like to drain the excess grease just so it's not swimming in it. Then add the frozen peppers and onions, sliced mushrooms, minced garlic, and seasonings. Cook for a few minutes until the peppers and onions are tender. Then stir in and heat the spaghetti sauce. Transfer the mixture to an oven-safe dish, top it with the cheese and pepperonis, and cook for 40 minutes. While the pizza casserole is cooking in the oven, get a pot of water heated on the stove and cook the pasta for your family according to the package directions. And that is it. You are ready to sit down as a family and eat. The pizza casserole makes 4 servings. Each serving has 11.3 total carbs. If you add a serving of pasta, turning the dish into pasta pizza casserole, the carb count per serving bumps up to 53.3 grams. Now, do you have to feed your family pasta? No. It's my hope that this recipe without the pasta is a crowd pleaser, so by all means try it first without the pasta, and I will say the same for these additional one-step conversion meals. As you've heard me mention before, to succeed long-term, your diet must be easy to follow, enjoyable, and effective. Those are my 3 E's, and when you have life set up to support those 3 E's, there's no reason or desire to go back to your old habits. To get that in place, you'll need recipes that work for everyone. Here are 4 more one-step conversion meal ideas for you. Fajitas are crowd pleasers, but the flour tortillas that they are traditionally served on are high in refined carbs. To meet your low-carb needs, swap the tortilla for a bowl of shredded lettuce. Here again, the ingredients are simple. I used pre-cooked pulled pork from Costco mixed with a packet of fajita seasoning that I picked up from the grocery store. I also sauteed some bell peppers, which I forgot to add to the picture, but Once everything is cooked, all you need is a head of lettuce, cheddar cheese, salsa, guacamole, and sour cream. Just like fajitas, taco meat goes great on a bowl of lettuce, allowing you to avoid the refined taco shells. Chili can be made low carb by making it without beans. There are many low carb chili recipes online. Then, when you're ready to eat, heat a can of beans for those who want the carbs. And for a quick meal that everyone loves, cook some burger patties. You can keep the meal low carb by swapping the refined bun for a couple of leaves of lettuce. For more ideas of foods to include on your low carb diet, you can download my free list of 100 low carb foods. To get a copy, just click the link in the description area below this video. And just let me close by saying that pasta, tortillas, taco shells, and burger buns are not healthy foods. They are refined carbohydrates that are very low in nutrients. If your goal is to lose weight, stabilize your blood sugar, or generally improve your health, avoid them. But I also work with a lot of people who have family members living under the same roof who want carbohydrates. There are times when we have to meet people where they are at. These one-step conversion meals save time and help to keep the peace at dinner time. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share the video with your community. Before you go, open up the description area for the links to Element and my low-carb food list, and add a comment. Let me know what other ideas you have for easy conversion meals. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.